Looking to improve your site's navigation and readability with a clean, clickable outline? In this video, we are diving into the table of contents block from Nextblocks, perfect for automatically generating SEO-friendly table of contents. Whether you are looking to add smooth scroll, add collapsible section, or make the table of contents sticky, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. Also make sure both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin are installed and activated on your site. Step 1. Install both the Nextblock Free and Pro plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Now to install the Nextblock Pro plugin, go to Nextblock, click on Dashboard. Then from here, go to Upgrade Now. Here we'll see the benefits of upgrading to the Pro plan. Again, click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, choose the plan that fits your need. Once you buy the plugin, you will receive a zip folder with an activation code. Then come back to the site, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugins, go to Upload Plugins, and here, select the zip file. Click on Install Now, then click on Activate Plugin. Now to activate the license, go to Nextblocks, click on Activate Pro, and here you add the license key and click on Activate button. That's it. You have successfully activated the Nextblock Pro plugin. Step 2. Activate the table of contents block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for table of contents. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of table of contents block from Nextblock. From the list type, you have to select the list type. You can select as the UL list, which will add bullet points, and then you have ordered list, which will add numbers. Then from the style section, you can select from multiple predefined styles. Each will add a unique style to your table of contents. Let's see all of them one by one. With this none style selected, you can select UL and OL to see the exact effect. You can see it adds number for OL, and UL it will add bullet points. Now let's see the other styles. Let's continue with style 4. Then from the child collapse toggle, you can keep the child items collapsed until you reach that section. Once you reach that section, you will see the child items. Then from the heading content offset field, you can add an offset value. That is the distance between the top of the browser and heading when the heading in the table of contents will be activated. Then from the smooth scroll toggle, you can add a smooth scroll. So once you click on a heading, it will smoothly scroll to that section. You can set the duration. Then you can set an offset value, that is a gap between the top of the browser and the heading when the scrolling will stop. Then from the fixed position toggle, you can make the table of contents sticky. As you scroll down, the table of content will be fixed. This is ideal if you add the table of content in a side column like we have added over here. Then from the offset field, you can add an offset value, that is a distance between the top of the browser and the table of content, where the table of content will become sticky. In the content tab, you can select which heading you want to show in the table of contents. Then the content selector field, you have to add the ID of the container. This can vary depending on your theme. Since we are using the Nextr theme, it has the main container ID as content. Let's see the content ID. This is the content ID. This ID might change depending on your theme. It is content, so you have to add this ID over here. So the table of content will apply to all the content. Then you can use this class to ignore titles from the table of contents. We'll see that later in this video. Then from the table title tab, you can adjust the style of the table title. You can show or hide the title. When you enable it, you can add title over here. Then you can also add a description that will be added below the title. From the main icon toggle, you can add an icon to the table of contents title. From the select icon section, you can add icons from font awesome or dash icons. Then from the toggle icon content, you can show or hide the toggle icon. From the open tab, you can select an icon for the open state. Then from the close tab, you can select an icon for the close state. From the default open toggle, you can keep the table open or close by default. Then from the alignment, you can align the table. Let's see how you can remove a title from the table of content. To do that, you have to copy this ID. Let's suppose we want to hide this guidance title. Let's go over here. Let's select the title. Then go to the custom. In the custom CSS, let's select the title. Then go to advanced. In the additional classes, just paste the class. Now let's update. We have the guidance title over here. Let's refresh. As you can see, the guidance is not there right now. So this is how you can remove or hide titles from the table of content. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. In the table title, you can style the title of the table. You can adjust the typography. You can even add global typography. Then you can adjust the text color for normal and overstates. If you have added description, you can adjust the description typography. You can adjust the text color for normal and overstates. From the icon size, you can adjust the icon size. You can adjust the icon color for normal and overstates. From the toggle icon size, you can adjust this toggle icon size. You can adjust the icon color for normal and overstates. You can adjust margin, padding. You can add border radius for normal and overstates. You can add background, box shadow for normal and overstates as well. From the heading area tab, you can adjust the style of these headings. From the left space, you can adjust the left spacing. From bottom space, you can adjust the bottom spacing. You can adjust padding, margin. Then for style 4, you can adjust the padding between the main title and the subtitles. From the heading area, you can adjust the style of the heading area inside the table of content. From the left space, you can adjust the left spacing of subtitle. From bottom space, you can adjust the bottom spacing. You can adjust padding, margin. If you have selected style 4, you will find this option. From here, you can add left padding to the subtitles. Then from the minimum height toggle, you can add a minimum height to the heading area. If the content exceeds the height, you will see a scroll bar. You can adjust the scroll bar width from here. You can adjust the scroll bar thumb color, track color as well. From the layout styling tab, you can adjust the style of these lines. You can adjust the active line width. You can adjust the line color for normal and active states. Then from the level 1 typography, you can adjust the style of this top level headings. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust the normal and active color. Then from the sub level typography, you can adjust the style of this subheadings. You can adjust the typography. You can adjust the text color for normal and active states. Then from the box background tab, you can style the background of this heading area. You can adjust padding. You can add border for normal and overstates. You can adjust border radius. You can add background box shadow for normal and overstates. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the table of contents block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.